झालं सर.
Okay, done. All right. 30 seconds. A minus 1 upon A is equal to 3. Find A square plus 3A plus 1 upon A square minus 3 upon A. Yes. How will you do? How will you find this?
Sir, common factor.
Common factor. What is that?
म्हणजे हे रिअल
Uh-huh.
कॉमन काढायचं.
From where?
हे रिअरेंज करायचं म्हणजे स्क्वेअर प्लस 1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस 3.
ओके, हे बघा, हे आणि हे बरोबर. येस, व्हॉट यू आर सेइंग इज करेक्ट, पण यू हॅव टू क्लब दिस. ओके, बघा मी आता कसं लिहितो ते. ए स्क्वेअर प्लस 3a प्लस 1 अपॉन ए स्क्वेअर मायनस 3 अपॉन ए इज ए स्क्वेअर प्लस 1 अपॉन ए स्क्वेअर, ओके, plus 3a minus 3 upon a. Okay, just rearranging the terms. Now
कॉमन
you get a square. ह्याच्यातनं काही common येणार नाही. And here you can take 3 common. You get a minus 1 upon a. Now you have to focus on this portion. ह्याच्यावर focus करा. This is going to be easy. बघा मी आता लिहितो as a minus 1 upon a whole square is a square plus 1 upon a square minus 2. आठवतंय? Yes, remember. Okay, very good. मग what is a square plus 1 upon a square? काय मिळणार आहे? a square plus 1 upon a square किती होईल? हा, a plus 1 upon a minus 1 upon a minus 1 upon a whole square plus 2. Now you can substitute this value here, Malya. Therefore, a square plus 3a plus 1 upon a square minus 3 upon a will be a minus 1 upon a whole square plus 2 plus 3 times a minus 1 upon a. You know the values. What is a minus 1 upon a? 3. So 3 square plus 2 plus 3 into bracket 3. So what do you get? 9 plus 2 plus 9. 20. 20 is the answer. Okay, did you get it? A plus B equal to 4 and AB equal to 3. Find 1 upon B square plus 1 upon A square. Okay. How can you do this? We know A plus B. So A taking squares, what do you get? What do you get A plus B whole square as? A square plus 2AB plus B square. Isn't it? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Now we are interested in 1 upon B square plus 1 upon A square. We are not interested in A plus B whole square. But since we know the values, we can at least find A square plus B square, right? So what do we get here? 4 square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2 times 3 because AB is 3. So we get A square plus B square plus 6. So which implies that A square plus B square will be 16 minus 6. So A square plus B square will be how much? 10.
10.
Yes, एवढं आलं. What next? Okay, this step is important.
झालं सर.
झालं सर.
झालं?
झालं.
Okay, great. Now 34. If x square plus 1 upon x square is 7, find the values of x square plus 1 upon x square is 7. Find. First, x minus 1 upon x. Yeah, using x minus 1 upon x bracket square is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2. We get
सर हाँ सर 7 minus 2 5 root 5
root 5.
root 5 देणार आहे
plus
plus minus
taking square roots विसरू नका. Taking square roots of both sides. Square roots of both sides. काय मिळेल सांगा. X
Root
minus 1
Plus
upon x
minus
will
root
be plus minus root 5. Yes. Plus minus लिहिणं फार महत्वाचं आहे. Okay. Very good. चलो second part. Find x plus 1 upon x. Same. Using x plus 1 upon
Sir,
x.
plus minus 3.
Correct. Plus minus 3. X square plus 1 upon x square plus 2 in this case. So we get 7 plus 2 and 9. Therefore, taking square roots of both sides, we get x plus 1 upon x as plus minus root 9. That is nothing but plus minus 3. That is what I am trying to say. Well, yeah, therefore, 3 into bracket x square minus 1 upon x square is 3 x plus 1 upon x in one bracket, x minus 1 upon x is another bracket. So you get 3
root 5 into 9
plus
minus 3. Sorry, plus minus 3 into plus minus root 5.
आणि ते शेवटी आन्सर प्लसच येणार आहे. So you get 9 root 5. What will be the answer?
9 root 5.
9 root 5. मी एकदा फक्त चेक करतो की whether they want both plus minus or just plus. This was 34 na?
हो sir.
Plus minus 3 आणि plus minus 5 बरोबर आहे. 5.
तर पण निगेटिव्ह का पॉझिटिव्ह मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर पॉझिटिव्हच येतं ना सर.
Oh, but no, actually what happens is, if you take plus root 5, okay, then you have to take minus 3. Okay, you can do that also, that combination also, that is allowed. And if you take minus root 5, then you can take plus 3. That is also allowed. Okay, but the answer is something different. Plus minus 5 root 29.
Hmm.
35. A minus 1 upon A equal to 5. Find A square plus 1 upon A square minus 3A minus 3A plus 3 upon A. Can you do this? आत्ताच केलं बघा आपण असं similar.
हो सर.
Okay. Try it.
तर 3 कॉमन घ्यायचं.
Yes, try करा बघू. So here write A square plus 1 upon A square minus 3A plus 3 upon A will be A square plus 1 upon A square minus 3 common, and you get A minus 1 upon A. Okay. Now A minus 1 upon A bracket square will be A square, okay, plus 1 upon A square minus 2. Correct. Therefore, A square plus 1 upon A square will be A minus 1 upon A whole square plus 2. So substitute this value. So we get, so A square plus 1 upon A square minus 3 into bracket A minus 1 upon A will be A minus 1 upon A bracket square plus 2 minus 3 into bracket A minus 1 upon A. Use the value of A minus 1 upon A, which is 5. So what do you get? 25 plus 2 minus 15. 17 is the answer. Is equal to 7 and AB is equal to 6. Find A square minus B square. Okay, how will you do this? See, what is a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Correct, isn't it?
7.
So we get 7 square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2 times 6. So 49 is equal to a square plus b square plus 12, which implies that a square plus b square is equal to 37. But we don't want a square plus b square. What do we want? We want a square minus b square. Now what can we do? What is the solution now? Yes. We want a square minus b square. आता काय करायचं? नाही, it's very easy. हे बघा.
A plus b a minus
using a plus b square. Okay. Minus वाला use करा. Minus a minus b square. Sorry, हे square है नहीं का? एक मिनट हाँ.
सर a plus b minus b करावं लागेल.
ओके, कळलं सगळ्यांना? So what do we get now? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. But be careful, you have to use two values of a minus b. इकडे करतो, इकडे करतो. So what is a plus b? 7, and let's say you get 5. So you get 35 or you get minus 35. Okay, both answers are correct. Check करा मिळालं का तुम्हाला? प्लस और माइनस 35 मिळालं का?
हो सर.
ओके, मग ऍक्च्युली ना हे तुम्ही नाही, हा पोर्शन नाही केला तरी चालणार. इट्स नॉट रिक्वायर्ड एनीमोर. ओके, डायरेक्टली हे करा. फाइंड आउट a minus b. Okay, it will have two values and use a plus b, a minus b formula. That's it. Okay, all right. 37. थांबू बर. डन.
सर होतं झालं.
$37. A square plus b square is 13. AB 6. Find a plus b. Very easy.
a plus b whole square formula.
Correct. Using a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, we get a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, same thing. So what do we get? We get 13 plus 2 into bracket 6. 13 plus 12, which is 25. Taking square roots of both sides. So
Plus
we get
minus 5.
a plus b as plus minus root 25, which is nothing but plus minus 5. Simple. Okay, a minus b will be plus minus 1. Yes, done.
हो सर.
Can you do the third one? Third one is very easy. A square minus b square is what? A plus b into bracket a minus b. But just be careful because again you will get plus minus. Okay. So writing plus minus here, 5 into 1, which will be again plus minus 5. So answer will be again plus minus 5. Here we need to find the value of 3 into bracket a plus b bracket square minus 2 into bracket a minus b bracket square. Again, very easy. What is a plus b? A plus b is plus minus 5. So plus minus 5 bracket square. The square is always positive. Into bracket 2 plus minus 1 bracket square. So answer is going to be 3 into 25 minus 2 into 1. So 75 minus 2, the answer is 73. Please check. A square minus 3a minus 1 equal to 0 is given. We need to find the value of a square plus 1 upon a square. Okay, I'll give you a couple of minutes to think upon it. Okay, think upon it and tell me what is your approach. Okay, चैतन्य म्हणला तसंच आहे पण थोडं different आहे. See, I will keep this on the left hand side because I know I can take a common from here and I will shift this minus 1 to the right. Okay, so what we can do here is baga a square minus 3a equal to 1. Okay, can I do this? चालेल का?
हो सर.
Now I can take a common, so I get a into bracket a minus 3 equal to 1. बरोबर आहे? Yes.
हो सर.
Now we get a minus 3 as 1 upon a. बघा, this is a trick. Okay, a division ला आला इकडे. So a minus 3 is 1 upon a. Now what we can do is we can take 1 upon a to the left hand side and 3 to the right hand side. Bus, this is done. Once you get this, a square plus 1 upon a square is very simple. Malya, using a minus 1 upon a bracket square is equal to a square plus 1 upon a square minus 2. Simple. Yes or no? Therefore, you get 3 square is equal to a square plus 1 upon a square minus 2.
सर मी हेच मानत होतो फक्त
अच्छा,
डिव्हिजन
हेच
मेथड
मानत
नाही.
होता. अच्छा.
हो सर डिव्हिजन मेथड नाही ते.
Okay. But so a square plus 1 upon a square will be 9 plus 2 manje 11. That's it. 39th is also important. What is given? X is equal to 1 upon x minus 5. Okay, find first. What do you need to find? X minus 1 upon x. Yes. Do you remember solving this type of sum? Anyone? Swap it. So x minus 1 upon x is 5. Bas, jhala. That's it. Okay. Once you get this, you can get the others. Okay. That is very easy. Huh? Can you find x plus 1 upon x now? How can you find x plus 1 upon x?
Sir, x plus 1 upon x square minus x minus 1 upon x square is equal to 4.
Is equal to 4. Very good. Excellent. Everybody done?
सर एक सम राहिलाय.
हो सर.
अरे एक राहिला है. Question 40. Yes. Let's do that. 40. X minus y equal to 7. X cube minus y cube is equal to 133. Find xy and x square plus y square. Okay. See, we have to write down the cubes first. Okay. Let's write down all the cube formulae first, and then we will solve this. Okay. There are only a few. चारच आहेत. लिहून घ्या बघू पटकन. Okay. Write down. Cubic expansion. Cubic expansion. first a plus b bracket cube. Okay, this can be written in two forms. Okay, two ways. Actually, they are the same, but you can write them in two different forms. Okay, so a plus b cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Here, observe that the index is always 3. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 3. Okay, like that. After the expansion. Here, how can we write is a cube plus b cube plus I can take 3ab common from these two terms and you get a plus b. This is also one way of writing this. Okay, second, a minus b cube will be a cube minus alternate. You get alternate plus minus a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, minus b. Again, you will say a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into bracket a minus b. This is how you can write. Third, obvious a plus 1 upon a whole cube is equal to a cube plus 1 upon a cube plus 3, okay, plus 3 into bracket a plus 1 upon a. Or you can say a cube or you can say a cube plus 1 upon a cube is equal to a plus 1 upon a bracket cube minus 3 times a plus 1 upon a. Okay, just rearranging the terms, you get this one. Okay, everybody following this or not? Yes? Everybody following?
हो सर.
हो सर.
Okay, हे झालं की सांगा मला. We need to write. You need to write the last one. Finished?
हो सर.
Okay, all right. Fourth, a minus 1 upon a bracket cube is equal to a cube minus 1 upon a cube minus 3 into bracket a minus 1 upon a. Or you can say a cube minus 1 upon a cube is equal to a minus 1 upon a bracket cube plus 3 into bracket a minus 1 upon a. Yes,
Yes,
so, yes, so 7 cube is equal to x cube minus y cube, which is 133 minus 3 into bracket 7. एक मिनिट काय फाइंड आउट करायचंय. ओ एक मिनिट इथे
सर 3xy आणि मग
सर 10 आहे 10.
3xy, sorry, 3xy.
10 आहे आन्सर.
Okay, so you get 343. 7 cube is 343 is 133 minus 21xy. So 21xy, okay, will be how much?
133 minus 343
Correct.
210.
minus 210.
Minus 210. So xy will be minus 210 upon 21. xy 10 का आलो का minus 10 आलो?
minus
10.
हाँ, it should x minus y bracket square is equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square.
47 आलं.
So yeah, x square plus y square minus 2 into bracket minus 10 because xy is minus 10. So 49 is equal to x square plus y square plus 20. So x square plus y square will be 49 minus 20, which will be 29.
29.
Okay, so x plus y will be plus minus 7. Simple. Done everyone? First part zala. Second part. You need to find x minus y. How will you find x minus y? X minus y whole square. Simple. X square plus y square minus 2xy. Right? So x square plus y square is 37 minus 2 into bracket 6. So 37 minus 12 is 25. So x minus y will be plus minus root 25 after taking square roots of both sides. So x minus y will be plus minus 5. Y square x plus
X
y
plus y into x minus
to
y.
x minus y. Yes, but just be careful. You are going to get plus minus 7 into 5. So answer will be plus minus 35.